Do you struggle with keeping both eyes open while you're shooting, or do you find it's very disruptive when you do? If so, this is the video for you. What's up, guys? My name is Rob Epifania. I'm a USPSA Grandmaster, and I'm the owner of Systematic Performance Concepts. In this video today, we'll give you some killer tips to keep both eyes open while you're shooting. When it comes to both eyes open, especially with the red dot, but of course it is totally doable with iron sights. Keeping both eyes open allows us to really keep a good awareness of what's going on within our peripheral vision. It also helps us be able to spot different spots, different targets as we're running through a stage or a practice setup. Most people, especially when they're shooting iron sights, they want to really kind of key into the sight, and they really want to just close this one eye, because what happens is they get two images. If I'm standing here holding the gun on a target right now, I actually do see the image of two guns. Now, when I'm shooting under pressure, I don't see any of that because I've taught myself what to pay attention to. So let's first talk about that. Let's talk about which image is the important image to pay attention to. When we're looking, so let's say we're right eye dominant, which I am right-handed in this case, and I am aimed on this target here. I see two guns, okay? Now, I can close my right eye and I see the right image is present. And when I close my left eye, I see the dot aimed on target as I would expect to. Key tip for this is when you're teaching your brain what to pay attention to, it is the inside image that matters. So if you're right eye dominant, it is the left gun. If you're left eye dominant, it is the right gun. So being aware of that and paying attention to that first is going to help you a lot. Another tip here, target focus. Red dot, iron sights, doesn't matter. Target focus all the time. Doesn't matter whether I'm shooting a target right in front of my face or I'm shooting a target 50 yards away. There is a target focus for everything. Now, little trick you guys can do here, okay? So if I aim here and I really focus on whatever it is that I'm looking at in the background, in this case it happens to be the garage door. So I'm looking at the garage door there, and I am nice and steady on the spot that I've picked. Now, I'm going to start focusing my vision back on the dot, okay? So if I focus my vision back on the dot, try to hold that same spot I was holding before, look at how the gun moves. And I'm trying to hold it there, but it's not really working. Focus my vision back on the spot, my gun stays really, really steady. So target focus all the time. That's going to help both eyes funnel out to the target. And if you know what image you're paying attention to, the inside one, depending on whether you're right eye dominant, left eye dominant, right eye, right gun rather, left gun, right gun. So by doing both of those things, right, knowing what image to teach your brain for the right eye, left gun, for the left eye, right gun, the inside image in either case, and being able to funnel both eyes out to the target, that's going to help you tremendously in having success keeping both eyes wide open. Now, let's say you're still having an issue. You feel the need to close an eye for some reason or another. Here's the thing to try. What you will try to do is when you're aimed on target, you're going to just start to dim the eye. And what I mean by dim is we're not closing it, but we're just squinting it enough to the point where the image that we're looking for comes clearly into focus for us. Okay, in my case, I'm going to close the left eye a little bit at a time until the image is very clear. Hey, this is what I need to see. Now, over time and under stress, that eye is going to start to widen. Okay, until the point where you're fully eyes wide open, staring at the target and being able to see without having to do any squinting of the eye. So those three things, again, which image to pay attention to, target focus all the time, and if you need to, start squinting or dimming an eye. Those are going to help you tremendously in your quest to keep both eyes open. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, share it with other people.